I don't remember how any of the commands work for this. Oh, it's touchscreen. That's right. It's actually a very pretty display. It kind of looks like this used to be a watch or something. Ah, now I gotta remember how to open this thing. How is it, like this? I forgot there's another box in here, dude. Oh my lord. I gotta admit though, the packaging of this, as crazy as this is, at least it's done really well that I don't think there's any possible way this keyboard's getting damaged in transit. Now, I don't know what version this client purchased. I don't know if this is like the Ultra or whatever. And I don't have an idea of what they want us to do for mounting, but I remember the mounting being a little bit divisive. Wow. Crazy. Absolutely wild, this keyboard. Did you want foam in your build, by the way, GL? So we were using foam. Perfect. Yeah, I feel like foam is a good choice for this. And GL, do you want PE film as well? The PE sheet foam? Or do you just want the mid foam? Got you, dude. Actually, I think this will be really nice with the PE sheet film. Just do what you like. I think we should use foam on this. I've already built this board once. I kind of know what it sounds like. I feel like we do need to put foam on. And then we'll do split right shift because I feel like split right shift looks really good on this particular keyboard. And we'll do full backspace, full enter, and full left. I'm gonna just gush about this for a second. I can't believe no one else does this. It is a polycarbonate inner plate with an aluminum outer plate. Like, I am so surprised no one else has done something like this yet. Like, it is so cool. How does it attach? It just screws into place. Like, so shocked nobody has done this, dude. It's such a cool idea. The alignment with hot swap sometimes in foam is a little bit frustrating, but I think we got it. All right, so here's the internals for this. I know this is a client build, but I still think this is interesting to take a peek at. So we have our pogo connector. So I guess it's interesting. I can kind of look back at this now, and I hope the client doesn't mind. I think I have perhaps some criticism I could mention for this. The pogo connector, I know it's a bit higher on the board, but I still would have made this so it's able to kind of float on its own and doing its own thing. So make it a separate piece, maybe suspend it by ribbon cables versus the USB-C. That way there you don't get like a hot spot when you're typing. It doesn't feel as like aggressively tough to type on. It's a beautiful board. It is a very pretty board. All right, next step. Okay, I'm pretty sure these are just different. This is the softer spring. And then this is our gaskets here. This is the hardest spring. I think these are in the middle, I believe. This is the badge which we need. It just sits on the springs. Why do I think there's also a gasket with this? All right, these are the medium springs, I believe, or just something in between. So let's just leave those. But it sits on the springs, little notches on the plate. So where are these? They're not in the bag at all. All right, we are good to go here. Let's see, are we aligned? We are aligned. It's a little confusing. Which way does the cables go here? Is the toughie. And I don't like this cable that they used. I feel like the pogo connector is a little pointless here. All right, so that's in now. Okay, now we're gonna put this together. Those switches sound good as hell, even without caps on. I think we're gonna have a good build. I think this is gonna sound really good. I think the foam combo and the Freya is probably a good option here to go with. I don't remember how any of the commands work for this. Oh, it's touchscreen. That's right. I forgot about that. It's actually a very pretty display. It kind of looks like this used to be a watch or something. You know, okay, I'll say this. It is nice. It is nice, dude. It's a nice looking board. Okay. Good keycap choice here. This is nice looking. Here's the side profile of this keyboard, by the way. Look how nice this is. I gotta admit, this is definitely one of their prettier boards that they've done. Very cool. Let's see what this is gonna sound like now. We're using the WS Pearl switches, GMK keycaps, all the foams. I'm pleasantly happy with these alphas, man. It doesn't sound foamy. I definitely need to rebuild mine with the foams. Yeah. It does sound a bit more of a glassy spacebar. I don't know what we could realistically do to this spacebar to make that sound. I mean, it doesn't feel stiff at all. The only thing I can possibly think of, and I'm gonna leave this up to the owner, is if we maybe, was there a mounting point? I guess it's not even really a mounting point. You're just laying it on a spring. I don't think it's gonna change up the way this sounds at all. I think that's just a foam thing. Because it sounds open. It doesn't sound stiff. I know what it sounds like when there's like a mounting point there. I could try a different switch if you guys are open to seeing what that sounds like here in a second. Let's see. I'm gonna try an Obscura. I feel like this sort of sounds more in line with the board. I do. I actually think, yeah, this sounds more in line with it. I hope the client ended up absolutely loving this. I am very happy with the way this sounds. I think this turned out absolutely fantastic. I'll have to take a quick photo of this too, just because I don't think I have a lot of photos of the Freya, and I wouldn't mind taking one or two more. Actually, if this was silver, I feel like this would have been super, super dope with it. All right though, guys. Like I said, I hope the client ended up really enjoying the stream today. I thought it was really, really fun. All right, guys, enjoy, take care, and have a good rest of your day. Bye, everybody. Love you.